Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review, based on my personal experience with the product, are available in the description below. Here's my review of the Facet Wealth Retirement Planning Tool and my usage experience. Facet Wealth offers a personalized financial planning service that seamlessly blends the convenience of modern technology with the expert guidance of certified financial planners. This tool is perfectly suited for individuals looking to develop customized retirement strategies without the hefty price tag often attached to traditional financial advisors. Whether you're at the beginning of your retirement savings journey, transitioning into retirement, or seeking to optimize your current plan, Facet Wealth provides a holistic approach to help you achieve your financial objectives. A key differentiator for Facet Wealth is the direct, one-on-one access it provides to a dedicated certified financial planner professional. This CFP works collaboratively with you to construct a truly personalized retirement plan. Unlike generic retirement calculators or one-size-fits-all platforms, Facet Wealth delves deep into your individual financial circumstances. The tool takes into account factors such as your existing savings, projected future income streams, investment strategies, and long-term goals to craft a tailored roadmap for your retirement. Furthermore, Facet Wealth offers ongoing advice and support, adapting your plan as your life circumstances evolve or market conditions fluctuate. What makes Facet Wealth especially attractive is its transparent and straightforward fee structure. Instead of charging fees based on a percentage of your assets under management, Facet Wealth employs a flat-rate pricing model, making it an affordable option for individuals across a wide range of wealth levels. This approach effectively eliminates potential conflicts of interest and guarantees that the financial advice provided is centered solely on your best interests for retirement planning. This means you receive impartial, unbiased guidance on essential topics like saving strategies, tax optimization, investment diversification, and withdrawal planning. The platform also features robust digital tools that empower you to monitor your progress towards your retirement goals in real time. You can integrate your existing financial accounts to gain a comprehensive overview of your net worth and make adjustments to your plan as needed. Regardless of whether you're planning for an early retirement, looking to maximize your Social Security benefits, or simply striving for financial security in your later years, Facet Wealth is adaptable to your specific needs and objectives. In summary, Facet Wealth is an excellent choice for anyone who values personalized financial guidance delivered in an accessible and cost-effective manner. By combining expert support with cutting-edge tools, Facet Wealth provides a powerful solution for achieving retirement readiness. Be sure to check out the links in the description below to learn more or begin your journey toward financial security today.